Welcome to Paradise, the active 55-plus community of Valencia Lakes. This upgraded Roma model floor plan is a well-maintained 4-bedroom, 3 full-bath, 2-car garage home. Enjoy the outdoors on your oversized extended screened-in lanai with one of the most beautiful water views in the community. There is no one behind you. Upgraded diagonal floor tile wall-to-wall throughout the entire home and crown molding throughout as well. Granite counters and stainless steel appliances in the gourmet kitchen along with plenty of storage and great views to your backyard oasis. Custom cabinetry with granite countertops in the dining room creating an incredible bar/storage area. Extensive closet shelving throughout. This is one of the larger floor plans and is rarely available. The double-car garage has overhead storage racks and has also been extended 2 feet. Move-in ready and located in Valencia Lakes, Tampa Bay's premier 55-plus active adult community.